In this video, I'll show you how to start setting expectations to build value and loyalty with your buyers. This is the first step in using a buyer brokerage agreement. Look, the fact is most agents are not using a buyer brokerage agreement or setting any type of written expectations when working with buyers. This often leads to the buyers not understanding the process or the expectations, and in the end could cost you sales, which is thousands of dollars in income. Hi, I'm Walter Borgen with RE/MAX Signature in Daytona Beach. I'm going to show you a simple form that will help you improve your buyer loyalty and ultimately increase your income. In this form, we're going to discuss the roles and expectations of both you as the buyer representative and the buyer themselves. This form will not obligate the buyer to paying you any compensation. So it's not the same as a buyer brokerage agreement, but it's a non-threatening form that makes sure that you take the time to discuss the roles and expectations of both you and the buyer in the buying process. Once you get used to having the buyer sign this form, you can decide if you want to move on to using a buyer brokerage agreement. So let's take a minute to review the form. So you can see that the form starts with what you can expect as your buyer consultant. I won't go over all of them, but I will select just a few. We're going to treat all parties fairly and honestly. We're going to respect the time, needs, and finances. We'll communicate openly and frequently. We'll develop and implement a complete negotiation strategy. We'll consult you throughout the buying process to reach an informed, intelligent decision based on your needs. We'll provide you with comprehensive showing packages and recommend the best offer strategy. We'll assist you in scheduling of the inspections, the closings, and document review. So you'll see there's 13 things on here that you can add or take away from to make this your own. But it's important that you set some type of expectations of what the buyer can expect from you as their buyer representative. Now let's talk about what I can expect from you, the buyer. So number one, you're going to be on time to all meetings. You'll meet with a loan consultant in a timely manner. You won't make large purchases or incur debt without first consulting with your loan originator. You'll make informed, intelligent offers immediately when finding the right home. You'll have loyalty to me as your buyer's representative. You'll respect the seller's property. And you'll have fun in the process. There again, I only read a few of them. You can take the time on your own to read them in more detail, or you can create your own. The importance here is to have a set of expectations that you are expecting of the buyer and to clearly communicate them so that you're both on the same page. One of the key points of this one is the loyalty, that you're expecting them to be loyal to you and to work with you as their only buyer representative. This is so important to have this conversation, and it's so often overlooked. Now you can see that I didn't read over each one of them because you'll have time to do that on your own. But I wanted to set down a basic guideline for you to realize the importance of having expectations and roles set in advance. This will help you clear up all of the miscommunication and ultimately will help you increase your income and close more buyer sales. I hope you found this video helpful. I'm Walter Borgen with RE/MAX Signature in Daytona Beach. If I can ever be of any help, please reach out. Glad to be here for you. Thanks, and have a great day.